Pretty boring day today, November 22. It's a third day that we're on the same place and not growing and not falling down. So the SPX is at the same level, around 45, 4,550. And the VIX is actually pretty low, like extremely low. We've been here like 3 times in the last 3 years. So the last time we were here like without these last 3 in 2020. So yeah, that's pretty low. And the fear and greed indicator is at 67, and usually when we go over 70 we should go down a little bit. So yeah, VIX is here. Not what is RSI is around yeah, it's like almost 30. SPX nothing interesting. 1-day VIX nothing interesting, also low. Yeah, everything is the same. So for me, I'm still waiting for the pullback to see like what will go from there. So I do not expect any positions today. I don't see there will be something really interesting. So whether it's I already have lots of long bearish positions, so basically I'm bleeding theta, and that's not fun. I'm like for the third day red, so I'm just waiting for the pullback. Let's see what do we have today with options. Well, I've added GDX yesterday to the list of the companies that I'm interested in, which looks pretty bullish. But right now, as I said, I have lots of long positions. I don't want to do anything here. Or maybe a short naked put. What is it? Margin to return is 25. Actually, this is very interesting. Let's keep, well, probably not for today, but yeah, maybe on like tomorrow. Friday is like it's a short week because of the Thanksgiving, so it might be good to sell something. And nothing interesting here. EM, nothing interesting here. IWM, debit vertical put, long calls, no. And Qs, everything is long, so no, not interested. SPY, same thing, no, nothing for me here. Let's go with a credit vertical call on Tesla. How does it look? I don't really want it, but if there is something like really good, it would be good to buy yesterday. But Tesla goes down like really good today, with minus 3.5% per day. What's with Microsoft? Still at the same place. So yes, nothing really good here. Credit vertical put, no, because I am kind of bearish. Short term, long call, no. Long short naked put, no. Short strangle, we have one short strangle, and it's on GDX, and it's not good position because it looks pretty bullish. I expect it to run. It should not stand on the same place. So I think this is it for today. Really nothing interesting. I think the whole week will be like this because it's a short week, holidays and stuff, so I do not expect anything, but still need to check if there is something, because sometimes you can find some gems when you do not expect it, especially when you use stuff like the Bullish Trade app. It searches the whole market for you, all the expirations, everything. So yeah, this is pretty good. So thanks, see you tomorrow. Like the video, subscribe, and all that stuff. Bye.